opportunity that during this pandemic situation, we have received great help from different sponsors and benefactors to the Anjikcharla parish. Nearly 300 people received food materials which is needed, especially in this situation. We have received through sisters, especially Sister uh, Superior Sampurna Mary to Vijayarani Convent. We have received 300 people received food material. Kanjikcharla parish people received. So we are grateful those who are thinking, those who don't have the basic needs in this situation. God really bless them in this pandemic situation, even though they are also facing the same situation, but still in this condition, they are thinking about the poor people. So, from the behalf of this Kanjikcharla Parish, Mary Queen of Angel Church, as the parish priest Father Solomon Ross Novola, I extend uh, great thanks to all the donors and benefactors. In a special way, we thank Sister Sampurna Mary, who is always towards helping hand, giving helping hand to the poor people in our parish and in our area. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning. This is Immaculate Heart of Mary Congregation, Pondicherry. At present, we are serving in Andhra Pradesh, in South India. We are running this special school and other school in the remote village of Kanjicharla in Andhra Pradesh. Really, here it's a very wonderful moment for our sisters because this pandemic is really a worse situation what we are experiencing in our day-to-day life. The people around our convents are really the daily laborers. They go for the livelihood every day and they earn little money. With that, they have to fulfill their daily bread. In this situation, the pandemic, the COVID-19, for past 1.5 years, it has brought a lot of worse adversity. It has affected a lot the livelihood of the people. That's what we can say. In this situation, really we feel very pathetic. In this worst situation, really we are very grateful to stand here because the people from somewhere very far from us, we do not know who they are actually. The Sacred Heart Parish from Belveli and St. Mary's Parish of St. Benedict. These people, they came forward to donate something to the people. It's really a tremendous effort. I can really appreciate and congratulate each every one of the donors, those who contributed to us. It's a really, they are so human. This moment I can tell from the bottom of our heart, we can really congratulate and thank each every one of the donors who contributed here because they are very 1,000 miles away, but they can feel able to feel the solidarity of the people those who are suffering here. In this moment, they feel that they whatever the livelihood what they earn little from the little they save something and they are very generous, very selfless to contribute to the needy people here, especially in the South India. Really, we congratulate donors. Really, your efforts are tremendous. Really, may God, good God, can bless you all. Really, from our sisters, from our congregation, from our, really, we bring the big thanks to each and every one of you because of the great effort what you have taken. May the we also can offer our prayer to your livelihood and for your great future for your children and their families. All your family can be blessed by the good Lord, and you can have the pleasant life and a peaceful life with a cheerful heart. We all congratulate each and every one of you donors. And also, thank you so much for helping our poor and helping our needy. So really, we are here contributing to more than 300 families. We are supporting now with the great help of you. So because of your help, we can able to reach at least 300 and more than 300 families, so that every families they will be at least they can have at least for the 15-20 days of the grocery basket. The grocery basket will be very much helpful for the people for the daily life. So thank you so much, donors, for each and every one of you. May God bless you. May God bless you abundantly, all your families and all your brothers and all your siblings and your whole family. So God bless you.